Woo, it's a windy day. Hey, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and we are here at Lighthouse Church in Port Charlotte. I think they got Baptist roots, but we'll go check it out inside. I'll give you a tour, show you what the music's like, what the pastor's a little bit like, and what the facilities are like. So stick around with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life, Church Edition. So that's the church building there. No, I'm kidding. That's like a little outhouse. Not an outhouse, but a house outside of the regular place. And they've got some areas here. Looks very Florida looking, doesn't it? And they've got a nice big building here. It's got their sanctuary in there. And it goes on that one. Probably got classrooms and places for kids and everything. So let's go on inside. Take a look. Oh, registration for newbies. It's tinted glass. You can actually see in the sanctuary room. Nice little open area. Some welcome cards. We'll go head down that way in a minute. So here's the main sanctuary. Look forward to sitting. They actually had an earlier service, so we're on 11 o'clock here today.
As big. The heathens of the world present themselves as big. We're the majority. And in reality, they are. You know, there's no doubt there's obviously more unsaved people in the world than are saved people. But they take their philosophy, they take what they represent, the God of this world, and they present their bigness. Like everybody believes this. And they interject some of the most ungodly ideas into society, and it's really happening a lot in America today. And so a lot of areas of our society today are buying into the darkness of the philosophy that's being presented, because they think, well, you know, you got all these smart PhDs that are saying this, and you've got all these so-called smart politicians. Well, maybe, I don't know that I've ever heard those two words put together. But anyway, and the way to mature is you have to face the obstacles in life, and you have to apply God's truth, and you have to wait on the Lord to help you to overcome those obstacles or the giants in your life. The police are coming after you, man. I want everybody to know that he's not really threatening me. Okay, I'm not scared. Just like Goliath wasn't scared. So he's standing there. Now, they weren't this close, obviously. He's probably a little further away. So here you have the little guy looking at the giant.
Wings and Rings. I never heard of that restaurant.
Yeah, it's not far.
Wings and Rings. That does kind of sound good. Maybe we should partake of something like that. Yeah, we should go back and cook, shouldn't we?
Unless we say the next Super Bowl.
Yeah. Well, anyway, we're now leaving church service. We had a chance to speak with the pastor afterwards. You don't get to do a lot of that, especially bigger churches. It's hard to get any kind of pastor time at all, unless you set up an appointment. But, you know, to each his own. Gosh, I say that a lot about churches, don't I? Yeah. But if you enjoy this church, if you're in town and you're here in Port Charlotte, come on out to the Lighthouse Church. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did us. You even got a free gift. Where's your free gift? Look there. Got a mug and all kinds of stuff in it. So anyway, come out and enjoy this church. We're going to get back out here living
The Coolest Life.
Church Edition.